Hello everyone, welcome back. This episode series here, I'm making an attempt to change out my transmission fluid here. Have you seen my previous episode on the jack here that I used? The 2.5 ton jack, floor jack with the jack stands, and I already done and replaced or pulled out the drain, which was this thing here. It was a 10 metric 10 hex wrench, and you can see it's really dirty, and the oil is really dirty, and so I'm just draining it and put some blue tarp down here just in case it so it just, you know how things can get very messy very quickly around here in no time. So I'm trying to keep it clean as much as I can, because I do plan on, using the garage for other things here. So by the way, guess where I got the tarp? Got it for free. That's right. Got it all for free. This is the smaller tarp, but as you can see, it fits really nice. Sorry about that. Got a little interruption here. And of course, gonna do this here. This handy dandy flashlight always comes in handy, doesn't it? So guess where I got all my tools and everything. That's right. So let's take a look here. It's probably bright enough now. You see that I jacked everything up, and everything looks good. That's the drain right there, as you see, this thing, and it's just draining. And there's the pan. It's a Nissan Quest 2005, and then I had to get the bits, the hex, the star bits here, and so I'm gonna have some fun with that. And got some other tools here to help me out, which I've been thinking about getting. So I'm starting my automotive collection here, my automotive tools collection. Of course, I got this. I have a 1/2 inch socket wrench, so this should work, or maybe I got a 1/4 inch. Anyways, it doesn't matter. I mean, the size that I needed, let's say it turned out to be just a 40 to turn it, but I think I got smaller star bits, so I wasn't really concerned. When I saw the bolts on those and saw that they're star headed, I knew they're bigger, so I went and just got the bigger collection. So I knew if I got this, I was going to be safe. So this is what I'm going to be using. 1/2 inch. I ought to check if my socket wrench is 1/2 inch. Of course, I gotta find it. Oh yeah, did some reorganizing here. Man, did some reorganizing, and it's in here. So all that stuff, basically, I had to reorganize to fit the minivan. If y'all can see the minivan here. There we go. To fit the minivan into this area, so I had to move all this plywood. Man, all this plywood, all this over on this side. Got the wheelbarrow done. There's some room here for this, and then my extension cords coming out, especially the 10 gauge, of course. My lawnmower had to be moved. Everything had to be moved on the other side, just so I could put this the truck over here. I'm already spilling some stuff here. And I did get the parts washer today. Oh man, that was a adventure in itself, just to do that. But here it is, parts washer. I don't know if I'm going to be actually using it today. What I am going to do today is actually I'm going to start draining it, and just I'm going to do that much today. I'm not sure how I'm going to have time to complete it, because I have to chaperone for my daughter's zoo trip. So tomorrow I'll be a little busy. So, but at least I want to get started on this. Get that drained out at least. Maybe even get the be able to put the drain pan out. Maybe get the parts washer together tonight, and then clean that drain pan, and then eventually put the filter on, and you know, just kind of get it ready step by step. Here's my first time doing it, so just having some transmission problems, and I think it's just the just need some transmission fluid change. So I'm hoping that's all it needs, and I'm hoping that's if you see my episode series on this, getting this, you'll know I got a really good deal. If you're watching this since I posted it, you know it's on sale, and if you use a discount coupon, you can get this under I think $65. So hopefully you're watching this in time. If you're not, sorry. That's why you all need to subscribe, get those instant feeds here, and basically watch the video instead of skipping through it. If you skip through this part and you missed out, sorry. I don't know what to say. So, anyways, I'm just gonna let that drain out a little bit more. Here's some other stuff that I got. I got this air ratchet here. I think they're getting a new line of air ratchets, because I know some of those reddish color air ratchets are coming out, and they're replacing all the older central pneumatic ratchet styles. And so I got this to perhaps work with those bits. I don't know if they're gonna work or not, but I've been really interested in getting an air ratchet since I have a compressor, and the CFM and everything works with this with that compressor that I got over there. I don't know if you all can see it. I guess there it is. There, now you can see it right there. So it requires only a 4 CFM. So this has a 4.5, 4.8. So strapping you in here. Let's just take it in. I already kind of looked at it just to make sure everything's good and ready to go. Just got to put a plug into it, and it's good. Of course, you need to oil it. Very simple. Forward, reverse, trigger, and then in here you got to take this plastic piece out here. There's your plug. So I just got to put, it looks like a male plug, which I happen to have one. It's always good to get you know, to get them. I probably need to put oil in it, but that's not a problem. I have some oil around here somewhere. I need to get to it. Oh, actually, I got it right here. There it is. So, and then Teflon tape I have on the bench here. I just have to scoot over on everything. Okay, here you go. So the back of my truck is basically my new table now. And hey, whatever you got to do. Whatever you got to do, right? Just to get the job done. So let me just figure out how this is going to be plugged in here. It's going to be stripped around this way. that was. Just tape right over it. Alright. Find some tools. Need my little wrench. Sorry for the struggle, you know, I'm without my table over there with all my stuff. But you know, you gotta do what you gotta do, right? This is a standard size here. Probably need metric. There we go. Okay. Alright. I just gotta get the hose and get the oil. So, quite a bit of struggle. Quite a bit of struggle just to get all this stuff. There's a hose. There's the oil. Okay. Hose is over there. Just gotta get to the. Gotta get there somehow. And then. Oh well. You know what? This is where if y'all remember this, the 36-inch pickup and reach tool. Well, I'm gonna grab that oil. See if I can grab that oil. Dang it. Oh man. Comes in. See, this is worth its weight in gold right there. Just by doing that. Piece of crap. Okay. Whew. Okay. So I've got to figure out how I'm gonna put this out here. Okay. I'm gonna have to probably pull the pull out the all these tools. Tool collection's starting to build up here. Yay. Wheelbarrow. Come on, wheelbarrow, don't. Yes, wheelbarrow works. If it doesn't. Okay. If the lawnmower is not in the way. I get to pull the wheelbarrow out a little bit. Yeah, okay, good. I might be here for a while. Let's just move this out of the way. I'm really glad I restored this wheelbarrow. Oh man. Okay, let's see if I can finesse this. Finesse all this out here. I just need the air compressor to come out. Ooh. Let's see if I can finesse this thing. You have to just lower it all the way down and have it go under this. Yep. Okay, good. Thank God for the rubber wheels. The rubber wheels make a big difference on this thing. Okay. So. Okay. I'm just gonna put it right here. I'm not gonna take it too far. Just need it to go just far enough for me to do this. That's all. Okay. So I got a filter on it. Okay, so got a filter on it, just have to oil it. Just adjust the pressure. Let's see, it has to be what, 90? Oh. Well, okay. Guess it wasn't in all the way. Wow. Okay. Okay. I believe 90 is what's required. Again. Okay. So, alright. Now we're having some fun here. Put a little drop of oil in there. Let's see what it does. Ooh, man. I got this. I went ahead and got the star bits, or the star socket sets, and this, and I got them both for 25% off because, like I said, if you get to know your local Harbor Freight stores, the cashier said, you know what, just because she knows that I love them discounts, she said, just go ahead, we'll do 2 transactions here. And that way I can ring them both up at 25 off. And not a problem, you know. They know me, I know them. That's kind of, you know, I recommend all you guys and ladies have that kind of relationship with your local Harbor Freight store. Okay, I don't hear any hissing, which is good. Okay, excellent. It works. Okay. Let's see, how do I have it now? Reverse forward, okay. I don't think there's any other adjustment for me to do than that. Looks like the oil is coming out here. Okay, which is fine. Let's see if this thing is even on. Is it on? Yeah, it's on. It still has enough air pressure, so okay. All right, I'm happy with it. Sorry if you guys are going to be jiggling around here, but I'll do my best to keep you guys in view. Alright. Alright, so that's that. May have to move this jack somewhere else because it is in the way a little bit. Not really, but let's just hopefully I'm not going to strip this damn thing because so let's see, I want it on. Best to tighten it. Okay, now on it. Now I'm reversing it, so let's see if it works. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is working out really great. Wow. And of course, if I'm going to do this, guess what I'm going to get? I'm going to get my magnetic parts holder. Hold this stupid stuff. Oh. Wow, that worked out really great. I don't know if you all saw that, but if you didn't, that's too bad. Man, that helped out a lot. I would have been here. Now I got my bench back. Yay. Oh, thank God. Oh. You know where I got all this stuff? This was, as you all know, this is all free. So, probably gonna wash them up a little bit. But, free flashlight, free magnetic parts holder. Oh man, life can't get any better than this, can it? Just getting free stuff. I didn't get a creeper and I didn't modify the mover's dolly. Let's see if I can get in here. Alright, that came out really well. Slowly but surely, I'm getting there. How's the bit holding up? Bit is holding up pretty good. The coating on it's a little stripped, coming off, but I guess you would expect that. Oh. to tell you, I'm impressed with the this air ratchet. It's really working really well. I can't see the other parts of it, so I'm gonna have to go up on top. This air ratchet works really well. I'm super duper impressed. It looks like I can't. I'm gonna have to go through the. Just go into the bottom with this. I can't see the other bits. I see it right here. I see one right here. Let me see. Let me get the flashlight here. See if that's it. Yeah, there's one. There's another one. This is going to be interesting. It's going to be... it's a little hard to get to. I might have to work on it a little bit. Let me see what I can get from the bottom. This is going to be a long episode. But yeah, this is how long it takes to change out a freaking transmission. Or your oil anyway. That looked like all the easy ones taken out. Now we're onto the hard ones that are a little hard to reach. Okay. Trying to see where the other ones are. There's one way over there. I hope the air ratchet can reach. This really makes the job a lot easier. That's going to be one hell of a... Anyways, let me turn you guys off because I'm getting it's getting a little cumbersome here. Hey everyone. Okay, I want to give you an update here. I gotta remove the battery in the bottom piece to get to the rest of the bolts because because that's where it is right there. That's where the pan is, and the rest of the star head bolts are right under here, and it's just hard for me to get in with the air ratchet or anything else. And also, turns out I don't have a 1/2 inch ratchet. I must have a 3/8. So my next purchase is going to be a 3/8 air ratchet. So that's just an update here for you guys. So thanks a lot. Bye.